Now half of 2025 is already over. If you haven't started yet or haven't taken seriously your German process as me, let's do it now together. So here in this video, I'm going to share with you a lot of online free resources so you don't have to spend a penny as me in long and endless expensive online courses, and you can do it all by free and in your own pace. If you're interested on why I opened this channel and also why I have stopped my learning process in German, comment below and I will share with you my journey in another video. Share and subscribe for more educational content. So let's start. So in this video, I'm going to share you how you can make your own study plan and with which resources you can enhance your skills and develop them in order to achieve a B2 or a B1 at the end of the year with me. The first step is create your own study plan. To learn a language or an skills that requires a lot of time, you have to be very organized. So in order to create an efficient schedule and an own learning study plan is essential so you can achieve this and don't feel overwhelmed at all. So please search a convenient time in order to do this study plan or do it right now. I developed a great interest in German since December of 2024 because it was awesome to me, that type of country and the education that they offered. So if you want to learn with me German and go along with me in this journey, you are absolutely invited and I would be honored to share you the resources I use and how is my process. Well, but how do I make my own study plan? Great question. First, we're going to rely in two main tools, beginning with AI. If you're starting from zero or from a beginner level like me, you can rely 100% on AI tools to show you the most relevant topics you should study and begin with. And also, it is indispensable that you ask it to cover these topics depending of your disponibility. You can cover up 2 or 4 topics weekly depending in the time that you have available. Secondly, and not less important, is Notion. Notion is a really great platform in order to create your chronogram and also to take notes of those topics you want to learn about. I use Notion for my A1 German study plan, and here I researched all the topics and I put a lot of information and exercise. If you would like access to it, don't hesitate to ask me because I will be more than pleased to share it with you. Here is how you can do it too. Starting with the list that gave you the AI tool you used, you can start to complete and research about the topics. And also, while you are doing this, you can pass this information into Notion in order that you have like a digital notebook with all the topics, the theory, examples, and exercises in order that you study as well as you complete a chronogram in Notion. The second and most important step is finding good resources. You can always rely on the proper information that AI gives you. However, it will always gonna be better if you find a web page that already offers guidance on the topic you are studying and also the topics that cover your level that you are currently at. And it is very important to find the proper resources to enhance your abilities. So here I'm going to leave on the table the best free German web pages in order that you can study with them in all the levels. The best free resource, without a doubt, is Deutsche Welle Learn German. This page is the most interactive and complete assistance about German. Here we're going to find a lot of theoretical explanation from any level, from A1 to C1, C2. So it is very interesting, this page, and it is essential that you check it out because it has a lot of interactive activities. They offer news, they offer videos, they offer even films like Nico's work series. We're going to go next with a certified German course that is offered by the Goethe Institute. Its page is called Deutsch für dich. This page is very complete and useful because it is created by people that shares information about the topics that appear mostly on the exam, and also there are plenty of vocabulary that they teach in these pages. Dutch for this, it is certified from the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. So it is very complete, and the information that they give you is proper and viable. So yes, I recommend you a lot to investigate this page. And if you would like sharing with you more of the functionalities of Dutch Welle page or Dutch for this, don't hesitate to comment and let me know. Grammar is one of the most difficult components to learn a language because it includes a lot of exceptions and also structures. So it is indispensable that you rely on proper resources like they are Lingolia and Dutch Academy. These two resources are completely free or mostly free. Lingolia has plenty of exercise for each content that you are learning. For example, if you are learning present in German, therefore, after you analyze the theoretical lecture that they give you, you can find one large and free exercise that they offer you. And if you want to do more, you can pay. And the good thing about this is that Lingolia is a bank of exercises from all the levels and from all the content. So it is very important to rely and to check out this page because it's very useful. I started with Lingolia for my French learning process, and it has helped me to achieve a C1 of fluency in this language. Then we're gonna continue with Dutch Academy. Dutch Academy is also a bank of exercises. It comes with over 25,000 exercises, and the most important advantage that they give you is that these exercises come from formal books, like mentioned that it's very popular and a lot of more. So this is a good way in order to practice and enhance your ability and your skills in grammar. Finally, but not least, we have Memrise and Duolingo for vocabulary. Memrise, I think that it has been designed beautifully. It is a bright web page and it is very useful because they include native speaker videos, so it makes the learning of vocabulary more fluent and natural. Then we have Duolingo. In spite of being a little controversial in the language community, I think that the German course that they offer is genuinely good, and because it is a video game, it is going to be a lot more easier to learn vocabulary here and to keep going with the streak. The third and final step is cover up all your topics through the Kaizen method. As we all know, being motivated all the time is a lie. The key is always consistency. The Kaizen method is a practice originated from Japanese philosophers that instead of overwhelming for excessive work, they try to make little steps and little progress daily to make a habit. So this is a secret to learn a language, studying daily. Even if it is 30 minutes, 10 minutes, or 1 hour, it will help you to progress over time a lot, and you will see that when you didn't expect, you are going to have a lot of abilities and a lot of vocabulary and grammar learned. So we have come up in the final of the video. I hope that the tools I've shared with you help you as much as they have helped me in my process. In conclusion, learning German doesn't have to be isolating, expensive, or overwhelming. Through a solid study plan and the right resources, as well as the companion from me, you can learn German faster and by the end of the year. So if you highlight this video, I want to know more resources or my journey in this German learning process, you can like, comment below, and subscribe. Thank you so much. We're going to see us in the next video. Bis später, wir sehen uns im nächsten Video.